I've done plenty of four-wheel driving and camping across the Pilbara.
What more can I say?
Karijini Gorge, known for its river crossings and beautiful gorges.
Let's do this.
Sheila Plains,
Well, that was epic after a 42-degree heat day.
Python Pool,
That's just epic. Yeah, it's so cool.
the Ashburton River, and some awesome places
It's so surreal.
within the edges of Karijini,
That's what I love about the Pilbara.
like the climb to the top of Mount Meharry
You gotta come here, you gotta see it, you gotta experience it.
and scrabbling through on the western side of Karijini looking for Magic Pool.
Spectacular.
But what about the heart of Karijini? Tucked away inside is a true oasis.
Beautiful environment.
Luxury tents,
I ended up expanding my swag.
buffet brekkie, and even a restaurant dinner.
We're going to the Karijini Eco Restaurant.
And yet, it's still raw and is still very wild.
Oh, there's a little snake there.
This is a different kind of adventure. No diesel, no off-road tyres, no suspension lifts required. All you need is a sense of adventure.
Right now we're in the centre of the Karijini National Park. This is the Karijini Eco Retreat.
This place is epic.
Yeah, it's so cool.
It feels remote, but comes with all the luxuries you would crave after a week or two roughing it in the red dirt and dusty tracks.
40 degrees. Can't wait to jump in. I ended up expanding my swag.
Not to mention living out of the vehicle for about a week.
It's even given us the opportunity to clean the whole car out and reset everything, because as you know, after a few days of camping and full driving, the back of your car. You right, kids? It's still, it's still the right way up. Looks like a washing machine.
Now that's just a bonus. The main reason why we're here,
The perfect place to start if you're going to check out the gorges.
which is exactly what I've lined up for the kids today.
We're going to catch up with Sven from Space Chameleon to do some canyoning through Joffrey Gorge, Knox Gorge, and a whole range of other places. Let's get into it.
So a 3-4 metre slide with a 3-4 metre drop, and then we'll spend most of the day in tubes with hand paddles going down Red Gorge.
Does the
Should
day
we?
have to end?
Nah, we can keep going. We'll do a nighttime canyon later and cut that out. We don't do that.
Right, we're ready to go. We all got our responsibilities.
And safety measures.
I'm an unhappy turtle.
And I'm the most important person because of my bag.
Yeah. Hannah's the most important person because she's got a rope, so we can't lose Hannah, otherwise we can't get out.
I'm used to descending steep terrain,
You're in, back wheels up.
but hiking it with all the gear, we'll be sleeping well tonight.
Beautiful environment. Have a go at that.
But the peace didn't last long. Once we cross the no-go zone, there is no turning back. And this is where our first Scrabble began and the real adventure begins.
This just kicked up a notch. This is so cool.
Oh, there's a little snake there. There's a little snake there.
Like I said earlier, it's wild.
Right there. 50 centimetres.
Not long after that, we hit our first Scrabble.
I'm actually going down there.
I'm used to picking lines when choosing the best route,
You got this.
but here it's full commitment
I'm right here. Just go.
before you even see where you'll end up.
Go, J-Dog.
Jason!
His actual name is Jacob, but today he's known as Jason. Why? Because my kids just keep calling him Jason.
Who's Jason?
And now Sven thinks his name is in fact
Jason!
There we go.
From this point on, there's no turning back and no moving forward without ropes. Which is why
And I'm the most important person because of my bag.
as you'll note, my descending skills aren't the best.
Can you help us out here, Hannah? There we go, thank you.
How's he gonna
Oh, clear.
With us now in the final chamber,
Was the size scary and missed it? Yeah?
It was steep.
we can make our way through the zigzag course
How cool is this?
and get to Red Gorge.
Been lowered down from a cliff and we've made our way through this little rocky maze and we're now inside this beautiful gorge back out in the open. We made it to the island, Hannah.
We've only just started and I'm already getting hungry.
Is it Lunch Island?
I'm already having visions of my dinner at the Eco Retreat. Good thing the Pilbara's got its own pantry. Bush tucker right along the trail.
That's a fig wasp. Right? The wasp basically goes inside the fig and it pollinates the inside of this fig, which is an inverted flower and not a fruit. But you can taste the fig.
It's actually not bad.
Yeah. It's all right. You could rehydrate them if you wanted to. It's
Is there a
We spotted some lemongrass along the way as well.
Yeah, you want to get the dry bits.
I've used it a few times before,
We pop that in the billy.
It's good. It's really nice.
So we'll harvest some more and take it with us.
but out here, not everything's edible.
This is known as the Vicks plant. It does smell like Vicks vapor rub.
We've got plenty of paddling to do.
What are those, Ronnie?
These are my paddles. Become a turtle.
I'm an unhappy turtle. I am the unhappiest turtle.
Why are you doing this, Jason?
There we go. Heading towards Joffrey now.
The gorges within Karijini were carved over millions of years, each one a masterpiece of time and story.
Spectacular.
To the Bunjima people, these are sacred places.
Cool.
Hancock Gorge,
Head off. So I do a pano in here, which is a really cool photo.
home of the Spider Walk and Kermit's Pool. I was here 5 years ago.
We're going down to Hancock Gorge. I'm hoping there's a lot of water.
Years ago, we had a big bushfire this side of the park, and the fire jumped in and actually killed this massive paperbark. So this paperbark used to cover this whole gorge.
Wow.
So, along with Knox Gorge, Red Gorge, and a quick stop to Joffrey Gorge,
My duck wings are getting tired. And we got to pick our way through the big rock.
we also came across shield spiders
one over here? It's pretty
Oh wow.
big.
Yeah.
and even a radioactive pool.
That is definitely the best looking algae I've ever seen.
Not really radioactive, it's just super green from all the algae.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Pigeons.
We also saw clear signs of how high the water rises in wet season.
Right up to there.
All the water gathers through all the gorges and hits these corners where it reaches serious heights.
We're talking 30 metres or something there.
Let's just say, that's not the time you'd want to be down here.
Oh, we're on the last hurdle. Last hurdle out of here.
And a good feed can't come soon enough.
What an epic day that was. I'm exhausted. And tonight, we also don't have to cook because we're going to the Karijini Eco Restaurant. I think the kids are going to sleep well tonight.
The Pilbara is a hidden gem, still off the radar for many happy campers. Personally, I reckon it deserves a spot on everyone's bucket list.
What do you reckon, guys?
Epic four-wheel driving, remote landscapes, secret waterholes, towering peaks, it's got it all. And so much more I've yet to discover myself.
You got to come here. You got to see it. You got to experience it.
Perhaps one day
That's just epic.
we might cross paths in the Pilbara. Until then.
What more can I say?